how to set the camera timeout duration on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen, then launch the camera app. Next, tap on the control button, and then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Next, we then scroll down and tap on camera timeout. From the list here, you can choose between 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. So select an option, and then we go back to your camera. Now what it does is it will set the camera idle time. If you don't touch the camera app within that set time period, then it will automatically close the camera app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.